Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What is your name?
My name is Angeline.
How old are you, Angeline? I am.
I am 5 years old.
Where do you study?
In Petra,
Where do you live?
in Jombang.
Okay, Angeline, can you tell me about animal in the forest? Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
I see
I see
an elephant,
an elephant,
snake,
the snake,
lion,
a lion,
a giraffe,
a giraffe,
and
and
a bird.
a bird.
The elephant
The elephant
is big.
is big.
The giraffe
The giraffe
is tall.
is tall.
The snake
The snake
is long.
is long.
The bird
The bird
is
is
small.
small.
but
The bird,
the lion
the lion
is big.
is big.
They are
They are
in the
in
forest.
the forest.
Thank you, Angeline.